Today I'm going to be reviewing Olalit's under cabinet lighting. These are equipped with motion sensor, rechargeable batteries, 3-level adjustable, 3-pack magnetic. As you can see here, these have the magnetic strips. You can just glue those on or stick them to the wall and then stick the light on there. Really nice, really bright. This is being used in an RV, so sometimes you have areas that are not as lit as you want, or during the night you may not want to leave your lights on, but you want to have lights if you go out to the bathroom. So really easy to install. Like I said, you just have to stick those metal magnets on there, and then here you'll see the motion detector work. It's not on. Bam, you get in there and it detects you. So it does work. Really like this. This does well on Amazon. It's got 4.3 stars. I normally see 4.4, but these seem to be pretty good. It's got 3,725 reviews. It is an Amazon overall pick. And amazingly, in October 2025, 1,000 of these were bought. So if you're looking for a motion detector, this is a 3-pack. Perfect for your RV. Hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.